Hey everybody, I'm Jack Barnwell, the creator of AquaPots by Proven Winners. The beautiful, beautiful self-watering technology that we've all enjoyed in the ceramic line is now available in what we're calling AquaPots Lite. These gorgeous, gorgeous planters. We've mirrored a lot of the most favorite finishes from our ceramic line, and we now have round, square, and this gorgeous, gorgeous legacy stone available in our new AquaPots Lite line. All of the AquaPots Lite containers come with this new AquaPots self-watering insert. This insert fits perfectly into all of the AquaPot Lite containers, making them into self-watering containers that enjoy all the great benefits of the original ceramic line, but in a lightweight version. So not only are they super, super lightweight, they save a tremendous amount of water, 75% less water than that same exact planter if it weren't an AquaPot. They also save potting soil, which is expensive. So you're gonna be using about half as much potting soil. We love to put a little bit of fertilizer in that reservoir. Slow release fertilizer right in the reservoir allows those plants to wick up that fertilizer infused moisture so you're not leaching out and wasting any fertilizer. The greatest benefit is the time savings. You're only gonna have to water these once a week as opposed to every single day, and your plants are gonna absolutely thrive. Look for AquaPots Lite at your local garden center today. I know you're gonna love them.